Hey guys, Jason here with TheChartGuys taking a look at silver. Yesterday's indecision candlestick has resulted in a little bit of a downside move for us today on pretty decent volume. And what we're going to be looking for is some consolidation because this is a substantial move, which is going to require some hourly consolidation. And that might give us a little bit of a sense of direction as that continues to develop. Below today's low of day support, which is currently sitting at 1790 or 1779, we do have 1738 as a daily support, and we do have resistance of the last attempt, this lower high at 1872, and that is what we're looking at right now, a trend change on the docket for the silver bulls, and our pattern of higher highs and higher lows is at risk of being changed. We got from 1963 to 1872, and if we break below 1738, that's really going to lock that in. Bulls do have the possibility of setting a new low over 1738 and then continuing back up, retaking that daily uptrend, but this opens the doors to an overall trend change, which will be some weekly consolidation if that does indeed come to pass. So let's go take a look at the hourly time frame, see what happened here. Hourly oversold conditions 2093. Don't even need to look at the RSI to see that that has happened. Big drops, and now we're starting to see that consolidation come into play, and no real strength showing up yet by the bulls. 15-minute time frame is a little bit of an equilibrium, almost 1779, then just bouncing around here. Probably looks better on the 15-minute time frame, or the 5-minute time frame. Let's take a look at that. Area of double top resistance, and we're getting a little bit of an EQ with some higher lows. So right now, I hate going into the 15-minute time frame for these videos because I'm covering 24 hours of action, but we need to get some direction, and sometimes we got to go all the way down to these time frames to see what's happening. So on the 5-minute time frame, giving a little bit of information there. In order to climb out of this, very similar to the situation the bulls are in on gold, we need to get a higher bounce. We need to see if we can get close to that EMA 12, and then ultimately it's going to be about getting a higher low over 1797 and then a higher high. A lot of work to do, not a lot of strength showing up quite yet, so we'll be looking for continuation after we get some consolidation on this hourly time frame, and that will be most notably indicated by a loss of 1779. Right now, bears in control of almost every time frame.